In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in DaVinci Resolve 20 in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to create a title, a caption, a lower third, or just add text over your footage, this process is quick once you know where everything is. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to place text on your timeline and customize it to match your video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and make sure you're on the Edit page. You can do this by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where most of your timeline editing happens, and it's also where you'll add text elements to your project. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left toolbar and click the Effects button. This opens the Effects Library panel, where you'll find all kinds of tools, transitions, and titles you can use in your project. Inside the Effects Library, go to the Toolbox section in the sidebar, then click on Titles. This will show you a list of text options available in DaVinci Resolve. For a simple, basic text overlay, choose Text. If you want more advanced styling, shading, and 3D-like options, choose Text Plus. The regular text option is great for quick titles and clean captions, while Text Plus gives you more creative control. Now click and drag your chosen title from the Effects Library onto a video track above your footage on the timeline. This part is important because text needs to sit on a track above your video if you want it to appear on screen. Once you drop it in place, you can move it along the timeline just like any other clip. After that, click the text clip on the timeline so it becomes highlighted with a red border. This tells you the clip is selected and ready to edit. If the clip isn't selected, you won't be able to change the text settings in the inspector. Next, open the Inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen. The Inspector is where all of your customization settings live, and this is where you'll actually type in your text and style it. In the Inspector, click the Text tab at the top. This section gives you access to the main text controls, including the words themselves, the font, the size, and the color. Now find the large white styled text box and type in your desired words. This could be a video title, a name label, a subtitle, or any message you want to display on screen. As soon as you type, you'll see it appear in your preview window. From there, use the font drop-down menu to choose a typeface that fits your style. Some fonts look more professional, while others are more bold, modern, or cinematic. After that, adjust the size slider to make the letters larger or smaller, depending on how prominent you want the text to be in your video. If you want to change the appearance even more, scroll down to the color section. Click the color square to open the color picker, then choose the hue you want for your text. You can go with white for a clean look, bright colors for emphasis, or something darker and more stylish depending on your footage and branding. And that's the basic process for adding text in DaVinci Resolve 20. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very easy to add titles, captions, and graphics to your edits in just a few clicks. You can always go back, select the text clip again, and fine-tune the font, size, or color until it looks perfect. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.